Hello, I am Professor Raju Thengi from Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Malkapur. Today, I will discuss a topic that is formulation of different approaches of transdermal drug delivery system. The various approaches of formulation of transdermal drug delivery systems are: first, membrane permeation control transdermal drug delivery system, drug in adhesive type of transdermal drug delivery system, matrix diffusion controlled transdermal drug delivery system, and micro reservoir dissolution controlled transdermal drug delivery. The first formulation approach of transdermal drug delivery system, it is a polymer membrane permeation controlled drug delivery system. In this system, the drug reservoir, it is encapsulated in the shallow compartment molded from a drug impermeable metallic plastic laminate and a rate controlling polymeric membrane, which may be microporous or it is a non-porous. The drug molecules are permeated to release through the rate controlling membrane. In this drug reservoir compartment, the drug are either solid or dispersed homogeneously into the drug reservoir, or either suspended in a unleachable viscous liquid, that is a silicone fluid, to form a paste-like suspension. And finally, the drug from such type of drug delivery system is diffused through the rate polymeric controlling membrane. And example of such type of drug delivery system, it is a scopolamine transdermal patches and nitroglycerin transdermal patches, that is called as a transderm nitro. Second method, it is a adhesive diffusion controlled drug delivery system. This is the simplified form of membrane permeation drug controlled transdermal drug delivery system. In this, the drug reservoir is formulated directly dispersing the drug in the adhesive polymer. Examples are polyisobutylene or polyacrylate adhesive, and then spreading the medicated adhesive by solvent casting or hot melt on the flat sheet of drug impermeable metallic plastic laminate to form a backing layer. On the top of this drug reservoir, the thin layer of non-medicated rate controlling adhesive polymeric layer of a specific permeability and constant thickness are applied to produce a adhesive diffusion controlled transdermal drug delivery system. And the example of such type of system, it is a deponit, that is a nitroglycerin patches for a once a day medication for the treatment of angina pectoris. The third type of approach, that is matrix diffusion controlled drug delivery system. In this system, the drug reservoir, it is formulated by homogeneously dispersing the drug solid in a hydrophilic as well as the hydrophobic polymer matrix, and then the medicated polymer is molded into the medicated disc with the defined surface and the thickness. Then the drug reservoir containing the polymer disc is then mounted on occlusive base plate in a compartment fabricated from a drug impermeable plastic backing laminate. Instead of coating adhesive polymer directly on the surface of this medicated disc, these adhesives are applied along the circumferences of the patch at the side, not on the surface of this rate controlling membrane, and to form a matrix diffusion controlled drug delivery system. The example of such type of drug delivery system, it is a nitrodur system for the treatment of angina pectoris. And the last system, that is a micro reservoir controlled transdermal drug delivery system. In this system, the drug delivery system is prepared by the combination of reservoir and the matrix type of drug delivery system. In this approach, the drug reservoir, it is formed by first suspending the drug solid in an aqueous solution of water soluble liquid polymer such as polyethylene glycol, and then dispersing the drug suspension homogeneously in a lipophilic polymers, example silicon elastomer, by high energy dispersion techniques to form several discrete unleachable microspheres of the drug reservoir. This system is thermodynamically unstable. Dispersion system is quickly stabilized by immediately cross-linking the polymer chain in situ, which produces a medicated polymer disc with a constant surface area and a fixed thickness. A transdermal therapeutic system is then produced by positioning this medicated disc at the center of the surrounding with an adhesive ring, and at the top side there is a backing laminate. Thus, such type of drug delivery systems can be prepared by means of micro reservoir controlled transdermal drug delivery system. And this example of such system is called as a nitro disc, and this nitro disc can be used in the treatment of angina pectoris. So these are the type of formulation approaches of transdermal drug delivery system. If you like this video, please share, subscribe or comment. Thank you.